What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a little review so far what I've experienced with my AFM disabler made by Diablosport. I've had it in the truck about 2 months now. So far so good. No weird stuff happening, no battery drain, no check engine light, no nothing. But I thought I would just take a little drive. I'm gonna go past my old house that I used to live in. So I know, oh, sorry about the audio. I don't know how good it's going to be on the GoPro, but anyway, so what I've noticed with the, in regards to the gas mileage, which is probably going to be the most asked question, it really hasn't changed. I've now been through 3 tanks full, and it gets about the same miles per gallon that it got before when it had V4. Yeah, I haven't noticed any better or any worse gas mileage. But one thing I will say, overall, it's just a much more better driving experience, I guess you could say, because the thing's not fighting whether to be in V4 or V8 mode. It's solidly locked in V8, so you're going up hills. It's got plenty of power, doesn't bog down and then shift down into V8, or not shift down, but kick down into V8 and then shift down on the transmission. Anyway, another good thing that I've noticed is the exhaust note is definitely different and better. You don't get that lawnmower choppy sound when it kicks into V4. So that's a plus. Yeah, all in all, I'm pretty happy with the little module. Costs around 200 bucks, and it's doing wonderful. This is Sublimity, Oregon. Pretty small town. It's a neighboring town to Staten, Oregon. But I lived out here for about 3 years. Loved it. Changed so much. Well, I just went past the house. I'm gonna have to turn around here. I'm gonna see if I can get a little drive-by shot for you guys. They are doing a lot of changes here. It's this blue house right here with the shop. this street, this is all brand new. Wow. Crazy. Anyway, guys, I think I'm going to end this here. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, why don't you click that subscribe button now. Click the thumbs up. None of those cost you any amount of money. So if you would do that, that'd be much appreciated. And I will see you on the next one. Take care.